Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm introducing our new Agentic AI release. This is a true milestone and improves our commitment to innovation. We are known for being the easiest platform for AI agents on the market. With this release, we've managed to make our platform even simpler and dramatically more powerful at the same time. So let's dive right in and I'll show you what is possible now. So what did I do in preparation? I inserted two templates, our AI agent insurance demo. You will find that in our template store. If you go to templates, just search for it and copy it to your tenant. And I also added the insurance application process because I want to show you the feature that the AI agent can run processes. So what will this template bring? It brings two sources also to our knowledge database. These are general terms for insurance, for personal liability insurance, and for car insurance. So these both are in German, and these are just AI generated terms, so they are not real, but just for demo purposes. But for the AI agent, doesn't matter which language it is. Okay, so I have a small process here, which just offers a live chat and a Net Promoter Score survey. The key features, of course, our new AI agent. And let's take a look how that works. So first of all, I'm going to pick the AI model that runs this AI agent. And as you might know, we have a lot of options. So we have, for example, the models by Azure hosted in Europe. We have Mistral. We have the open source model from OpenAI, GPT OSS 120B, which is also a great model. So you can pick OpenAI directly from the US. You can pick Anthropic. I will go with Azure GPT 4.1 Mini. It's fast, but it's powerful. So this would be my first pick I would try. If it's not powerful enough, you can then upgrade to 4.1 or 5 Mini, for example. All right, so then I have instruction, and you know this already. Okay, you have to instruct the AI what to do. What is new is that we bring a lot of default options for you, so less work for you to think about how to instruct it. And you can change, for example, you can change the role based on what we bring by default. Of course, you can add custom instructions, what I did here, just additional custom instructions. It's always helpful to have a description about your company, so that the AI agent knows what company it works for and how you want to present yourself towards your customers. So this is what I would add here. Do not remove the guardrails. Okay, doesn't make sense. And then just click through, for example, what personality would you like? Okay, hey, we're at Loyjoy. Of course, we have joyful as default, but maybe you want it more neutral and objective. Pick whatever is best for you. Pick how the languages are handled. So will the chat answer always in the language of the chat, or will it adapt to the language of the one who asked the question? So this is also possible. You can just pick it from your drop-down and try it out. Now, what's really powerful about Agentic AI is that you see, I just have one module here, so I do not need to model anything. The AI handles the task by itself, and it will choose the necessary tools. So the more tools I can offer the AI agent, the more powerful it gets. And what do we have here? So we have a knowledge search. You see, we have knowledge search 2 times. One is for the personal liability insurance, which is Haftpflicht in Germany, and car, which is Kfz in Germany. So I added these knowledge search and I just picked the folder which contains this knowledge, not the other sources. Yeah, so the AI knows, okay, if it's a question about car insurance, I'm going to use this knowledge search. If it is about the other insurance, I will use this one. Then I have 3 instances of running a process. So this connects to the live chat module. So if a customer enters, okay, I want to talk to a human. This is just German saying I want to talk to a human. And this would be if the customer asks, okay, I want to take this Net Promoter Score survey. In production, I would do it differently. I would use the Net Promoter Score survey, and I would tell the AI, okay, if you think it makes sense now to do an NPS survey, then do it on your own. Okay, so then the AI will decide when it's a good point to ask for this feedback. And then I have another one. Okay, if the customer now says, okay, I want to take out insurance, yeah, so I want to, or at least I want to quote, I want to know the price of the insurance. Then it can run the process insurance application process. So let's give it a try now. I can ask it questions about insurance. So what happens if I have an accident with my car? Do I have to pay for it? So now you see, only a few seconds later, I get the answer. Since this is the PDFs are in German, so he also tells me, so Casco is a German word, for example, so it cites from the document. Now it goes back to the process, but I could also ask it now questions. So I want to take out liability insurance, difficult word for a German native speaker. And now you see it switched. It also has a kind of different branding in this other process. It tells me I will forward you. And now this is the other template. So it called the template and I can continue here. So this in a nutshell is the power of the AI agent module. It has more tools available. So especially you could choose also to enable a web search. You see we have a web search that is only available by models directly hosted by OpenAI, so not by Azure and by Anthropic. For all the other models, we have the DuckDuckGo search. So, and you can also say, okay, I just wanted to search on certain domains, for example, lawyer.com. So give it a try, add your tools. For example, you can also very easily now build a product recommender. Just upload your products into our included database here, the products database, and use the product search. This is really very nice and very easy to do. So this bot makes it powerful and also a glimpse into the future. If your software applications that you use already offer maybe an MCP connection, a model context protocol, this is kind of the native API for AI agents. So if it's available today, great. Enter it here. You see it's just entering the MCP server URL and the API key. If it's not available yet, I think it will be in the coming months. So ask for it, look for it. Is an MCP connection, is an MCP server available? This is very easy. So for example, if you want to connect your CRM, get the CRM, you connect it by entering these two details here, and the CRM will explain to the AI what is possible, and then the AI agent will decide when it makes sense to use it. Okay, so one last thing I want to point out. You see we have our default chat bubble here. Go to branding, scroll down, and pick a nicer chat bubble. So for example, this Lottie animated robot face here. There will be a lot more defaults coming, but you can also browse the internet, search for Lottie animation, and upload it here. So enjoy our latest release, and I think it's great. So let's get in touch if you have any questions, and yeah, have fun.